Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a cockerel by its toe. Who's going to end up in the pan today then? I believe it's you, Snowflake. Morning guys, welcome back to the farm in Thailand with Toon and Lee. And don't worry, it's not going to be a gore fest. We're not going to show you us butchering a chicken. We've done that before, and ducks and quail and such like. But today Toon is making her long anticipated return into the kitchen. She's going to do Som Tam for you, but we're going to have cockerel as well to go with it. Before you see Toon in the kitchen doing her magic, I'm just going to show off my alpha male hunting skills. How to catch a cockerel, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Right, I've got me child catcher net, and I've got me bait. The reason I'm choosing this cockerel is because when we feed the ducks over there, he's the first one to jump over the fence and cause a bit of havoc. So he's just over there at the minute. See, they've all legged it now. I've got the net out. There's the three of the old girls, egg laying hens. Cook, 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 cook. Cook, 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 cook. I think he can sense I'm on the hunt. He's not having any of it. Cook, 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 cook. Even Johnny Handsome's not coming over. We've got way too many cockerels. We must have about 20, and we've got quite a few chicks as well, so it's a little bit early to tell if they're boys or girls just by looking at them. We've got a few stunning birds and some that are going to be quite big, so we don't really want to get rid of them, but the troublesome ones we're going to get rid of. Or say get rid of, consumed. We do sell a few now and again. Come on Snowflake, your time's up fella. Here he comes. No, he's not. Cook, 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 cook. That's it, mate. That's it. Come to the net. Just like ground baiting your swim fishing, this is. He's looking straight at me. Strange how they know. He must have that sense of impending doom. I think I know what I'll do. I'll go and throw the food to the ducks, and he normally comes over here. Here's our 7 Muscovies, packing on the weight nicely. Lovely ducks. There he is. Here he comes, look. He fucking knows, doesn't he? He bloody knows. Right, we're going to have to be proactive. Look at that, he's off straight away. A lot of people use the catapults in Thailand, because somehow their cockerels know when their time's up. I don't like that. It's like bloody Linford Christie, this cockerel. Look at that. Right, in with a shout now. You fucker. What this chicken doesn't realise is he used to play on the wing for Peterborough first team, so his time's numbered. And I have the throwing accuracy of Eric Bristow as well, so you watch this. Bastard. Not the snowflake cockerel that I was after. I got his younger brother, but he's still a sod for jumping over the fence out here anyway and digging up my potatoes, so I'm sure he'll still taste good. Right then, you can see he's calmed down quite a lot now. The cockerels make a hell of a hullabaloo when you first get them, but I think they just pick up on my calming influence, and yeah, they're always alright once you've been holding them for a little bit. So we'll sort him out and then show you Toon's magic in the kitchen again. He's not huge for a cockerel. These white ones are quite small anyway. They're quite long and slender. They don't grow really heavy. They're quite a tall bird. You see the tail feathers are incredibly long, but they're not as thick set as some of the other Guy bands. So we've had one of them before and they were very, very tasty, and hopefully it'll be the same.